Bombshell revelations in the death of Victoria Kafka Jones, daughter of Oscar-winning actor Tommy Lee Jones, which has shaken both Hollywood and the public. Recently surfaced legal filings suggest that Victoria may have been pregnant just 3 months before her death. Court documents obtained by Us Weekly and filed in October 2025, nearly 3 months before Victoria's death, include a line that has drawn renewed attention in the aftermath of her passing. The filing states, quote, "Counsel is informed and does believe that Miss Jones is pregnant." The documents were part of legal proceedings in Santa Cruz County connected to misdemeanor charges Victoria was facing at the time, including public intoxication and resisting a peace officer, stemming from an arrest in 2024. Victoria pleaded not guilty to those charges. It is critical to note that these court documents reflect what her legal team believed at the time, and not a medical confirmation nor a determination of her condition at the time of her death. The same filings reference what is described as possible acceptance of diversion terms. According to the San Francisco District Attorney's Office, diversion programs are designed to steer eligible defendants away from traditional prosecution, focusing instead on treatment, structured support, and supervision. If successfully completed, diversion allows individuals to avoid a criminal conviction, a system intended to address underlying issues rather than punish them. At the time of her death, Victoria's case had not been resolved, and there is no indication she had completed or formally entered a diversion program. Victoria Kafka Jones was found unresponsive inside a San Francisco hotel room on January 1, 2026. She was 34 years old. In a statement provided to Us Weekly, the San Francisco Fire Department confirmed that she was declared dead after paramedics performed assessment. The scene was turned over to law enforcement and the medical examiner. As of now, no cause of death has been publicly confirmed. At this stage, authorities have not characterized the death as suspicious, accidental, or otherwise. Authorities have also not stated whether pregnancy played any role or whether Victoria was pregnant at the time she died. She was found dead of a suspected drug overdose as per reports at the time. Emergency Services dispatch audio classified the incident as a Code 3 for the overdose, color change. Reports indicate a history of substance abuse, including an arrest in April 2025 for drug possession, and witness claims that she was using cocaine prior to her death. This tragedy also brings renewed focus to events from just a few years earlier. In August 2023, Tommy Lee Jones filed for temporary conservatorship over his only daughter. Court documents list the actor as the petitioner, with Margaret Carone Schmier named as conservator. The request was granted, but only temporarily. In December 2023, a judge ruled to terminate the conservatorship. 2 years later, Victoria was dead. The court records do not specify the reasoning behind the termination, and no connection has been officially drawn between the conservatorship proceedings and her death. Following Victoria's death, her family released a brief statement requesting privacy during a difficult time. The statement was simply signed, "The Family of Victoria Kafka Jones." Tommy Lee Jones was spotted looking frail a few days after his daughter's sudden and devastating passing.